What's going on, guys? So we just left the bank, guys. I had to do a deposit for this week, guys, so I'm done. I had to take care of that first. But I'm in a very commercial area where there's a lot of businesses. I'm gonna show you around first. So what I was thinking is, since I'm not doing no detailing today, guys, I said, well, I'm gonna take advantage of this. I have a little free time, so we are about to go find out if we can find a place to place our machine, our vending machine. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna go to the barber shop, the one I used to go to. It is around the corner, and we'll see what happens, guys. If they say no, then most likely I'll plan another free day where I can just drive around everywhere. Cause right now I'm driving my business truck, and I have a trailer hooked up on my truck. So I really don't feel like doing all that driving with this truck right here. So I'd rather drive a small car. So, but we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna go to the barber shop. I'm gonna show you around, guys. Let's do it. Let's give it a try. Let's do it. Come on, let's go. We're about to give it a try right now, guys. I'm right here at a shopping center. There you go. We're about to give it a try. So let's go inside and check it out. It's yeah. I want to talk to this owner. Owner.
¿No habla español?
Sí, jefe.
Jefe,
Sí.
ven.
Quería ver si podía poner una máquina de dulces. Si me daba permiso poner una máquina de dulces.
¿Cómo que la máquina? ¿Cuál es
Es
la
una
máquina?
máquina chica de dulces. Vending Machines. No tengo foto, pero son de las que se ponen afuera para los niños.
Por los niños.
Ajá. Si quiere, le doy mi número para que me hable.
Sí, porque el dueño no está aquí. Dame el número tuyo y él te llama.
¿Tiene algo?
No te lo digo.
También le puedo dar comisión.
No te lo digo.
Ok.
Aquí.
Sí, muchas gracias. Aquí donde yo venía, cortamos el pelo. Necesito otro corte. Gracias.
El dueño no está aquí para él que dice sí o no.
Ok. Ahí me habla. Ok.
Dale, pues.
What I sell right here. How you doing? I was looking at this dolly. You selling it?
Now we sell appliances. We use those to move the appliances around.
Yeah, because I actually have a vending machine like this. You selling it? You know?
No, we got a guy that we rent.
Oh,
We got a guy bring it in and he takes the money.
Yeah.
Every now.
Yeah, because we have a smaller one like this, but it caught my attention when I was walking. I seen it. I was like, that's what I need.
It's a nice one. Yeah, that has a flat tire right now. We got to figure out. You know how to put air in the tires.
Never did, but I have a smaller one. It also holds herb, and sometimes it can't handle the weight, so the tire will look kind of low.
Yeah, that's a handy size. That's all it was. It was doing great for a while until it got low on air. We don't use it right now until we can figure out what to do about that. We got about 3 or 4 more dollies scattered around the store.
Are you gonna sell them?
Appliances around.
Are you gonna sell those?
No, I don't think we're going to sell them. We need them for our appliances. We got some real big refrigerators. We got to move. Some people load it on their truck. We got to use it to bring it up. And then we have a delivery man. He uses it because he does about 3 or 4 deliveries every day.
They come on handy, the dollies.
Oh yeah, boy.
They come on handy.
If you don't have one, it's really murder to try to
And
move
then
anything heavy.
someone just gave me a vending machine or a snack machine, but I thought it was gonna be about the same size as this,
Like that.
but it's actually bigger, and it was me and another guy. Woo, I still got the lower back pain.
Does it have like crackers, candy, and stuff like
yeah, that one. It has the snacks. But it's an old machine, and then pure metal has the glass. And I just got lucky. He gave it away. Yeah, but
What do you think you're gonna do with it?
I'm actually I just went to this little barbershop right here because I'm actually doing the vending machine too.
Okay. You can try to put it in somebody's store.
Right. But I seen you already have one here, but
Well, no, we don't have one. But did he say, the barber, that he wants to take your machine in?
well he said he was gonna call first.
Okay, well, let me give you this, because if you end up looking for a place, I don't know, I'm not the owner, so I don't know for sure, but
Okay.
if you end up that you're looking for a place to put it, if the barber doesn't want to put it,
Right.
give me a call, and I work here at this store about 3 or 4 days a week.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Tony.
Tony. Okay,
Tony.
I'm Greg. Tony. Give me a call in 3 or 4 days or a week. If you don't know what you're going to do with it, give me a call, and I'll find out whether or not, because we've got this one, but we don't have one with crackers, snacks, and all that.
Yeah.
It would go well with that. I can't say for sure if we want it, but if you can't find a place for it, give me a call.
I'll give you a call. I'm interested. I'm actually interested, but
because this got a lot of traffic here.
Yeah.
It's a good location.
Right.
Has
And
enough space for it too.
right. And I was actually not planning on actually looking for a location, but I thought about the barber because I used to get my hair cut over there. And but really I want to do a search around because I just got the machine in my house sitting around, and I also got the one that gave me is still in my truck. But that's one thing I really want to jump into. I also rent out bouncers.
You have a pickup truck?
Right.
Okay. Do you like a real small pickup or a medium size?
F250 is a big truck.
Pretty good. Okay. Do you ever, not now, but I mean in the future, do you ever have any interest in moving stuff around? Somebody pays you some cash.
I would. I'm
a truck a couple miles. They're moving from one place to another. You know.
I have a trailer too.
Okay, well, it's not big enough for a trailer. But let me write your number down. I
Okay.
might be moving in about a month.
Yeah. Okay.
And, I don't have a truck. I'd like to get a small pickup truck, but I haven't been able to find anybody to
Yeah.
sell one. All I have is a car. That's helping me.
Yeah. Just give me a call, cause I don't.
Write down your number. You got a pickup. You live in the area.
In Raleigh.
Okay.
Right here in Raleigh, so it's not
Yeah.
far.
Let me find out when or if I'm gonna.
Yeah, let me know ahead of time because like I'm an auto detailer also.
Because I don't need to rent a big U-Haul truck and all
Right.
that. You know, I don't need to pay for it. Plus, I don't need that much of a truck.
Cool.
But let me put your number down, Tony, and if anything comes up, and you can call me on the vending machine if you think you need a place for it. What's your number? I'm Greg, Tony. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Okay, I'm glad I stopped by.
Okay, all right. Well,
Yeah.
let me know.
That dolly just made me stop by.
5 days or a week or something. If you're still looking for a spot, give me a call and I'll talk to the owner
Cool.
and see if
Okay.
they're interested or not.
All right, appreciate it.
Have a good weekend.
All right, thank you.
Bye
All
bye.
right. Y'all have a good one.
Thank you.
All right. Alright guys, so I decided I'm gonna make one more stop, guys, before I go to the store. This little place is like a tax place where they do taxes. I'm not sure if they have so much traffic, but we're gonna give it a try since it's already around the corner. So come on guys, y'all coming with me. We finna go see what's up. Let's do it. Hola, ¿cómo está? Quería ver si podía hablar con el jefe. Quería ver si estaban interesados en que yo tengo un vending machine business de candy y quería ver si podía dejar una aquí.
¿Tienes tarjeta de la ciudad?
No,
Porque no se encuentra en el momento y no puedo.
si quieres te doy mi número, es que no tengo mi tarjeta. Como yo soy un auto detailer, pero también me dedico. Okay. También aquí vine hace como 3 años a hacer mis taxes. Nomás que no me acuerdo el nombre de la señorita. Me llamo Tony y aquí está mi número.
Ok,
Ok, gracias.
gracias.
Se lo vaya bien.
Chao, hasta luego.
Ok. We're about to leave the place, guys. That sounds like a no, but ain't no telling, guys. Let's not give up. Let's not give up, guys. So, like I said, we're in the process of looking for a location, guys. This is our second location that we stopped by. But now I'm gonna go to Sam's instead. And I'm gonna dedicate one full day to actually look for locations so I can move around a little bit faster on another car. And one thing I did find out is that well, cause I wasn't really prepared, guys. I really wasn't. But I really need a picture of my vending machine, guys, because the first guy at the barbershop, he looked a little bit confused. He didn't know what I was talking about, and I didn't have a picture on my phone. Plus, I was recording at the same time, so I need to bring another spare phone, have a picture of the vending machine. So I kind of just had to explain to him that it's a vending machine, candy vending machine. But hopefully they call us. If not, I mean, you know, there's still a lot of places to give it a try. So this is the video of our 2 locations that we went to, which is a lot of businesses over here. So that's why I want to come back and try again. But all right, guys, it wasn't really planned out to do this, so we're gonna have to plan these out, guys. We got to be prepared, guys. All right. So on the second video, we're looking for locations for the vending machines. We should get 1 location at least. All right. All right, guys. So I'm gonna take y'all to the store now, guys. Y'all coming with me? Let's go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I'm full, man. I just ate 2 slices, man. I can't even, man, move. But y'all stay tuned for the next video. They coming. So y'all be safe. Thanks for watching.